Forget the chocolate, we're doing Easter with a little more gear. I'm using the Maillard style to get these deep, rich burnt tones on 4-inch wood. Adding a steampunk twist to the classic Easter bunny. It's all about those tiny mechanical details. I love how the diode handles these intricate lines. It's like a blueprint for a robot rabbit. Quick clean, and look at that contrast. This is part of my new Holiday Remastered series. Perfect for a morning coffee or an Easter gift for someone who likes things a bit ratty and cool. What should I laser next? Let me know.